Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you doing?
Good, thanks.
Are you excited?
Yeah, fit.
Before we start, can you please tell us your name and
My name is Thang Boy.
and how old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Okay. And you're from Rural Bond, is that right?
Yes, I am.
So, how is your preparation for today?
Actually, I didn't prepare for anything. I just know this morning, one of my cousin told me there's a competition, like singing, and I was like, okay, I come and.
Oh, it's good that you showed up.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for that.
Okay, if you're ready, go ahead.
It's, the song I'm gonna sing is the promise song. It's called Black Panther.
ဆိုတဲ့နေရာမှာလေအားလုံးထည့်အားလုံးထည့်တာ
Okay.
တခြားအရင်ကောင်းတဲ့စာသားတွေဟိုဘယ်လိုခေါ်မလဲဒီစာပိုင်းပေါ့နော်နည်းနည်းစာသားပြီးနည်းနည်းဝါနေတယ်နည်းနည်းဟိုတခါတလေကြာရင်ဟိုအင်္ဂလိပ်တချင်းဆိုရင်လည်းဖြစ်ချင်းတချင်းဆိုရင်လည်းပေါ့နော်စာသားဟိုဘယ်လိုခေါ်လဲပြီးလေးပေါ့ချင်းစာသားဆိုရင်ပြီးလေးမြန်မာဒီမြန်မာတချင်းဆိုတော့မြန်မာတချင်းကတိတ်ပြီးတော့မပြီးဘူးပေါ့နော်ဒါနဲ့ချားတချင်းပဲဖြစ်တိတိတချင်းပဲတော့ဖြစ်တယ်နော်အဲ့လိုမျိုးဆိုရခါကျရင်စာသားလေးနဲ့အတားပြီးပြီးအဲ့လိုမျိုးဆိုတာပါမယ်ဒီထက်ပိုကောင်းမယ်ကျိုးစားနော်ပြီးတော့ဒီတစ်ခါအခုတရားပြောပေါ့နော် text message တော့ mail လိုက်နေတဲ့တစ်စက်ဒီရွေးထဲမှာပါမှာပေါ့အဲ့ဒါတင်ပို့လိုက်မယ်ကြားလိုက်မယ်အဲ့လိုတိုင်ခဲဟိုအောင်မယ်
And boy, do you play with a band? Or do you have your own band?
Yeah, we have a church with my brother and with my cousin and my brother.
Okay. Yeah, I can see that you're really, really confident, and I really love that. Yeah, and also you have connections with. I think you have to work on building connections with your audience, because you can't just sing by yourself. You have to get connected to the people who listen to your song.
Yes.
And thirdly, the way you present your song is really good. I can feel that you have like emotions and give yourself into it, which is really good. And yeah, if you play with a band, I think that will really help and build your confidence. I can see that you are singing just by yourself.
Yeah.
So if you have someone around you, I think you'll be more confident,
Yes,
right? Yeah, I think so. But overall, it's really good, and it's really good to have you here.
Thank you so much.
That's all right. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye.